Hello, we are an automation company from Switzerland. We invented a remote control system through which we can watch and control our earlier sold PLC machines like this. We need a normal computer, and this computer can be 20,000 kilometers far from the PLC machine, and we still can watch the screen and we can control the screen of our PLC machine. Now I show, if I press a button on the PC screen, at the same time the screen of the PLC also changed. We use this system for helping for our customer in real time. We would like to sell our software for other automation companies who also would like to remote control their own PLC automations for helping their own customers. Have a nice day. Goodbye.